Ever feel like you're stuck on a treadmill of effort, sweating, grinding, but going nowhere? What if I told you there's a way to level up without losing your mind? No magic pills, no hustle harder nonsense. Just 5 simple rules. Let's break them down. 1. Discipline is boring, and that's the point. Imagine two people. One posts, New Year, New Me, every January, then quits. The other writes one paragraph a day, even when it's trash. No fanfare, no applause. Guess who finishes the book? Discipline isn't sexy. It's showing up when nobody cares. Even on days you feel like a zombie, especially on those days. 2. Plan like a chef, not a firefighter. Chefs prep ingredients at 6 a.m. so dinner isn't chaos. Meanwhile, most of us scramble like firefighters. Emergency, where's my life? Intentionality is power. Spend 10 minutes tonight planning tomorrow's one big win. Not 10 goals, just one. I will draft the email. I'll work out 20 minutes. Boom. Direction beats speed. 3. Your focus is gold. Guard it. Attention is currency. Scrolling TikTok for 5 minutes? That's like handing a thief your wallet. Lock in. Set a timer. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of chaos. Repeat. You'll shock yourself. Action, even messy action, beats overthinking. The world wants to distract you. Don't let it pick your pocket. 4. Quiet spaces create loud breakthroughs. Your brain is a garden. Noise equals weeds. Track your time for a day. Notice what drains you. Endless group chats, Netflix vortexes. Replace one drain with a system. Swap 30 minutes of doom scrolling with a walk. Ideas grow in quiet places. Sit in your car, a park bench, a closet, just you and your thoughts. Magic happens there. 5. Comfort zones are quicksand. Here's the secret. If it scares you, it's probably the exit door. Hate public speaking? Record a 30-second video talking to your phone. Send it to one friend. Uncomfortable? Good. Growth isn't a cozy blanket. It's a cold pool. Jump in, shiver, then realize you can swim. Leveling up isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, locking in, and choosing guts over guilt. You don't need a standing ovation. Just you, quietly outworking yesterday. So, what's your one thing today? Drop it below. And if you're ready to stop running in place, smash subscribe. Let's build your legacy, one boring, brave, brilliant step at a time.